So hello everyone, welcome back to the Bushcraft Joe channel. My name is Joe, and if you're just tuning in for the first time, every Sunday I sit down and take a chance to talk to you guys and share information and comments and thoughts and stuff on growing your channel, getting more views, getting more subscribers, watch time, a little bit of everything. Where do I get my information from? From just doing different research. So different blogs, YouTube, Promoda, content creators on Instagram as well as on TikTok now. So by now you guys should be tuned in to actually considering doing TikTok. If you want to do this as a career, you really need to start looking at every way that you can make videos and make money from them. And TikTok is one of those. So you can set your account up so that you actually get paid through TikTok, but you can also share short clips up to a minute long of the videos that you just produced on YouTube. So if you save a clip, a highlight of it that, some type of action shot or, a trending video or something like that you can link over on TikTok, you can drive your TikTok crowd over to YouTube. And then, in your YouTube videos, you can go down the description box and you can put your TikTok link in there and do it that way. With Instagram, if you have a business account and you have, I think, over 1,000 subscribers, or followers as they call it, you can use a swipe up arrow and allow you to add in a link to whatever video clip that you want to put on there too. When you do these little short 25-second, minute long videos, like YouTube Shorts, then you really need to optimize what you want to show real quick and link content to that. That drives it up pretty good that way. And if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell for me. I'd really greatly appreciate that. And by ringing the bell, you won't miss any notifications of my uploading. So every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification, and that way you know when I'm on, and you guys can check it out then. If you're been here before, definitely give me a like, and I'd appreciate new and old subscribers, new and old viewers to share my content and comment. Let me know what you think. Some of you guys sometimes, so your feedbacks actually sets me on to researching something a little bit deeper. I would also suggest other uploads so your viewers with info cards and screen embed. So this goes back to, if you have a computer and you're running your YouTube channel through that, then you get a lot more tools that YouTube actually provides, like information cards and clickable icons, different things like that you can actually edit in there and add. And I would suggest using them. I mean, even if one person out of 50 clicks on that card, that's still 1 out of 50. And YouTube will, put up 3 or 4 different videos up there that they can actually choose from when doing that. So it's a great tool to use. So that's all I'm going to talk about on this segment. If you guys got thoughts, comments, experiences, drop them down in the comment section below. And till next Sunday, I'll see you then. GoPro, stop recording.